Hey guys, Anthony the Rag Company, and we are here at Obsessed Garage. And I'm here to do the pitch, right? I'm here to try to sell Matt on the Ultra Air Blaster V2. This could be Obsessed Garage's new air blaster tool for pad cleaning, interior cleaning, and more. What do you think? This is the box here, Ultra Air Blaster V2. This is our interior cleaning tool. You can use it for blowing out pads. You can use it for blowing out interiors, agitating things lightly with the brush attachments and stuff like that.
I'm proud of you. You've got, it looks like you've got industrial, so ISO
Yeah,
06.
it's a standard, yeah.
Euro high flow, and then I forget which this one is. I don't think that's True Flate, but I forget which version that is.
The third fitting that's more popular. There's like there's several countries that use this as their most
Japanese,
popular.
I think they use that, yeah. So then you have the brush and the regular.
Here's the difference. So the previous V1 version, right? It literally was here to a full conical tube, right? All one big plastic piece, right? And this was where your bearing was. It was actually back further, right? Your built-in bearing, I should say. And so what ended up happening is the dirt buildup, right, on a longer conical tube was pretty crazy. Now the difference is because ours uses a bearing system, right? And it uses, this flange here is actually a rotational spinning tube, right? The other ones are gonna be a flapping, we'll call it a dongle, or whatever you want to call it, where they rotate this spinning thing that physically abrades the inner portion of your cylinder, right? That will eventually wear it on the plastic and all of that. There is no bearing. It's just a flailing dongle, right? This right here is bearing activated. It's actually going to be blowing more air because of the way that this is designed here. Now we have a press-in replaceable bearing. We shortened the conical portion of the tube, so it's not going to be having a ton of dirt buildup, and if it does, it's going to be easy to clean this out because it's literally finger length, right? You can take a rip and rag, you can take a towel, literally go on there, wipe this out, clean that out as you're going along. So this is what this looks like here. Press-in bearing, you can see that. I'll put that one back on there. And very easy design. We sell them in a 2-pack now, so you can buy replacement bearings. You can swap these out anytime. You can put your favorite lube in there if you want to try a different lube. But pretty much from the factory, they're ready to rock and roll. So you just drop it in, and it's just, this is a straight flow design. There's no other it can't be any simpler than this. Air goes through here, it comes out of there. That's it. It's nothing. There's no other kinks or major anything other than your small orifice in there for your air coming through. That's going to lock back inside. Press in, that's how fast it takes to replace the bearing here. Locks that in, and then you're gonna put this back on, and again, you can use different lubricants or whatever you wanna do. So that's it, and it's ready to go. And then we can swap that out with the brushed version.
I'm gonna put this on I have the same air compressor you guys have at HQ. It's the Compact X, and I have my hose reel here, kind of tucked in the corner. So I'm at, I think I have it set to 125 PSI.
90 minimum is what you want.
Yeah, that's
How does that feel? Does it feel pretty powerful?
Yeah, so I put a pad on here. All right, I'm sold.
Super easy. That was the easiest. Video's over. We're done. We've sold them on it.
Yeah. I wish you would make a little better trigger here. Am I allowed to say that?
So no, you can, because the thing is,
you need room for V3.
We always want to improve things, right? And there is room to improve.
Should we try what everybody does?
No, you can run this over.
Yeah.
I don't want to bang. I'd actually be more. I don't want to bang up your flooring.
Yeah.
But I mean. So as always, if you guys love the TRC OG videos and you love seeing us hanging out, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, right? Pick up the Ultra Air Blaster, whether it's from me or from Matt in the future.
I'm keeping this, by the way.
You are keeping that. It's yours. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Blow yourself away. No, blow yourself away. Go blow yourself. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.